Hi guys, welcome to my channel. A royal specialist claims that the Prince and Princess of Wales pay moving tribute to the late monarch's memory through their children in several touching ways. Phil Dampier, a royal author, stated to Fabulous that Kate always makes sure her children are aware of all the details surrounding Diana, particularly on significant dates like her birthday or death. Unfortunately, George, Charlotte, and Louis never met Diana, but their mother Carol is very close to them and is of course their grandmother. Kate didn't either, and she stated that she would have loved to the day she and William were engaged. They preserve her legacy in a variety of ways. As they get older, I'm sure they'll feel her influence. This is how William and Kate assist their children in honoring the grandmother they never met. We've seen the young royals write handwritten notes to Diana on significant occasions. When heartfelt Mother's Day cards from Princess Charlotte and Princes George and Louis were posted online in 2021, and addressed to Granny Diana, royal fans were moved. Prince George penned a mournful note on green paper that said, "Dear Granny Diana, greetings on Mother's Day. I often think of you and I love you so much. Sending lots of love from George." In the meantime, Princess Charlotte wrote, "Dear Granny Diana," on a pink card that had a brightly colored heart drawn on the front. "On Mother's Day you are on my mind. You have my undying love. Papa is longing for you. Charlotte, lots of love. XXX." After the People's Princess died in a horrific car accident on August 31, 1997, her final resting place at her childhood home is depicted in heartfelt images. Her burial at Althorpe House, Northampton, is tucked away on an island in the picturesque Oval Lake. It makes sense that the grave is very important to her kids, Prince William and Prince Harry. William and Kate have brought the kids to Diana's grave at Althorpe, and it must be very moving when they do so, Phil asserted. In his biography Spare, Harry wrote that in 2022, he and his wife Meghan Markle visited his mother's last resting place and shared a private moment. "I was finally taking the girl of my dreams home so she could meet my mother," he stated in his letter. Diana is respected at home not just by William and Kate, but also by Kate's parents, Carol and Michael Middleton. Phil continued saying, "Carol and her husband Michael can tell the kids all about Diana's good deeds and clearly remember her as the icon she was. Kindness is the golden rule that Kate has for Prince George, Princess Charlotte and Prince Louis." The royal correspondent for Hello Online states, "Photographs of Princess Diana at the time and the present Princess of Wales show that they are both very loving with their kids. Kate is frequently spotted picking up her kids for cuddles when they were younger or holding their hands. Numerous consoling actions, such giving them a pat on the back or caressing their hair, are frequently given. When interacting with other children on her public engagements, Kate often crouches down to their level to engage with them, something that Diana would often do." According to Ingrid Seward, the late Princess of Wales would have done everything in her power to calm tensions between her sons before they erupted into the severe alienation they have now. Ingrid told The Sun on Saturday, the 27th anniversary of Diana's passing, that she thinks the People's Princess would be devastated by the status of Harry and Will's relationship. Dee would be envious that her youngest was able to leave the UK and live her dream life, even if she would be angry with the two princes for letting issues get in the way of their relationship. "I think that Harry's life in America, away from the royal world with a wife and family, is something that Diana wanted for herself, and she would be very proud of Harry that he had actually managed to get this life," Ingrid stated. "I believe that Harry's separation from his father and brother is what would truly aggravate Diana. Diana always wanted to maintain the family unit. But I believe she would be extremely jealous of Harry's life. Diana had this precise desire for herself. She had the desire to move to America because for some reason, she believed that life there would be easier and more rewarding. Which indeed it may have been sadly if she had ever managed to realize that dream. If Diana was still alive," Ingrid continued, "the Duke and Duchess of Sussex would still be in the United Kingdom, and would be an integral part of the firm. This probably wouldn't have happened if Diana had been around," she continued. "She was a really strong woman, and things would never have gotten this bad. Harry and Meghan would still be living in the UK and a part of the royal family." It happens after William, 39, and Harry attended their uncle's funeral together on Thursday but were not spotted chatting. The princes went to their mother Diana's brother-in-law, Lord Robert Fellowes' burial discreetly. In Snettisham, Norfolk, They were rumored to have sat separately at the rear of the church. Recently, Harry has been accused of bringing up all of his terrible remarks about the royal family. His explosive autobiography, Spare, will shortly be available in paperback. When Spare was first released in 2023, it launched disgusting criticisms of the firm. Harry vilely claimed after an argument about Meghan, Prince William threw him to the ground and tore off his chain. The father of two also remembered how he pleaded with his father not to wed Camilla because he thought she would turn into a wicked stepmother type. In the meantime, the Duke stated that Charles didn't even offer him a hug when his mother Diana passed away when he was 12 years old. Additionally, Harry delivered a tirade of more jabs in interviews in an attempt to get more attention before the book was first released on the shelves. The paperback edition of Spare will be available in the US on October 22nd and in the UK on October 24th. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't miss any update.